Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two cells without losing data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to merge two cells without losing data. At first, select the two cell. Now I am select the two cell. Then go to the home menu and click the merge and center option. Then we can see we merge the two cell without losing data easily. You want to make another cell merge and center, click again the two cell. Now I am select the two cell. Again click merge and center. Now we can see we merge two cell in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.